How to align and evenly space elements quickly and easily using Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. So I'm going to show you guys a little shortcut here to evenly space your elements. I'll use the example of, let's say you're going to make a notepad or something and we want a bunch of lines. We'll click on line right here under elements. And you can see we've got this line here. Fun little shortcut for you. If you do ever want to extend a line and you notice it's kind of going wonky and all over the place, if you just hit the shift button, it forces it to extend and shorten straight in a straight position. So fun little tidbit for you guys. Oops, I let that go. And we will just duplicate a bunch of lines here so I can show you the shortcut. And we're going to kind of put them all over the place. And you'll see here, we'll shortcut this. You can actually even highlight all of these and just duplicate it. So then we're going to have, duplicate it again, have a bunch of lines. So what we're going to do is highlight all the lines on the page, go up here to position, and you can see the usual align elements that we have here, top, middle, center, left, bottom, right. I think most people already know how to use those. But if you look under space evenly, you have 3 additional options: vertically, horizontally, and tidy up. So here we're going to do vertically, and what that should do is then put an even amount of space between every single line here. So we'll click on vertically, and you can see now there is an even amount of space between every single line, but they're not completely lined up in the center of the page. So after that, we're just going to hit center. And I'll show you actually what the tidy up button would do as well. We'll just go to undo up here. And the tidy up button, I find you do have to play around a little bit with this sometimes. It's a bit more intuitive. It's kind of guessing what you want it to do, which may or may not be what you actually want it to do. So if we click on tidy up, it actually automatically does it. So it knew that we wanted to space every single line evenly and that we wanted it all centered. So that's kind of how space evenly works with these buttons here. And I'll show you another example. We'll just delete this. And I'll show you with shapes. It doesn't work for just lines, it works for shapes as well. So we'll do circles. And let's just add a bunch of different circles here. Let's say you're making some kind of worksheet or image or something. Just get a bunch of them going. And we'll kind of put them all over the place to maybe challenge the button a bit here. Put them here, and we'll highlight them all. Again, go to space evenly. So you can see here I didn't go to position this time. You can actually go to the 3 dots up here and you can go to space evenly here. So if you click on tidy up in this case, it kind of wasn't sure what we wanted. We really had everything all over the place, so this is what it's come up with. But we don't really want that. We want it to be lined up horizontally as well. And so again, here I think we had them spaced out a little bit too much. It was kind of not it couldn't tell what we wanted. So it's not foolproof. It does help you space things evenly, but it's not foolproof. And so again, we want to go to space evenly, and we'll do horizontally, and then we'll do vertically. And yeah, it's still not working. So keep that in mind. There we go. So tidy up. So there is a bit of trial and error depending on what it is you're actually trying to make. With the lines, it saw what I was trying to do very quickly and very easily. With the circles, not so much. So sometimes you do have to click around a little bit to get what you actually want. All right, so I hope that helps. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.